Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Instagram didn't send you a security code, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just open the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open it. Now just turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if it doesn't help you, just go to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on mobile data. And if it doesn't help you too, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also check your version of Instagram. So maybe you just need to update it. So just go to App Store. In App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram. Now you can see here update, so just tap on update and it will successfully update your app. So after, just try to open it, and I hope that it will help you. And if you still don't receive any code from Instagram, so just try to, if you have another device, just try to log in your account from another device and just try to get this code to this device. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.